DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Image on console and support, tag Image and share to some. Share to your friend in the community and the artist. You see me I say? AI Millie ABC actually do the video for you that already in a Davian. You know, I watch thing, you know. I have a video for ABC already up. You see me? Request songs that I haven't reacted to yet that have videos. I already did the AI Millie ABC video. So you can go watch it on my channel after the live though, Davian. So request another song. Request a song that I haven't reacted to yet with a video. You see me I say? And I got y'all. But we react to this 48𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 say yo want to react to artists from the hometown, the one named Himage. You see me the one named School Them. I want to check it out. 48𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, I believe you know music, you know. So me expect the one that bad, you know. You see me I say? Now the vibes much longer, let's get it gang.
Hi, girl.
Let's live on Mars. What's going on, baby girl? Big up yourself. Oh, go on recruitment. Kill him, I kill them. Oh, go on.
Less than I never know much strategy. Drugs me a push bangy line and no politics. How me fi drop our the gravity? Been a run a place and a fuck up the economy.
Man, so me fi drop out the gravity. Up to you. Alright, Image just starting now. Strong, come in.
And no politics. How me fi drop our the gravity? Been a run a place and a fuck up the economy.
I can hear it now. Vice Little says he's a newer artist, but he don't sound bad. You see me? He's a young artist, but he don't. Alright.
Remember say Image and no gallery. Hen chopper know we no frightened fi salary. Never
Image and no gallery. Talk to them, boy. Alright, come talk to them, boy.
salary. Hen chopper know we no frightened fi salary. Never walk a day in my life. Big bang a this. The Benz blast off and the beast them a follow it.
Me like you build up. Me like you build up, Image.
Me drop a whip and parky, now make millions and sing and talky. What? 10 dozen buckle from a pull up a party. Dolce and Gabbana with the Simiyaki. Been a school
10 dozen buckle. I'm gonna pull up. That's 120 buckle, you know. I don't understand what you think when you say no, Image. Enough liquor that you have a alcoholic problem, G. Big up yourself, like how this sound, you know.
beast them a follow it.
Yeah.
Me drop a whip and parky, now make millions and sing and talky. What? 10 dozen buckle from a pull up a party. Dolce and Gabbana with the Simiyaki. Been a school them and me no see what fi class me.
Yeah.
Rich in my teens and me no touch 40.
Easy, go on now, man. Talk to them. In your teens? You know your teens now, bro? Come in.
If you own something, me no afraid for clarity. Take a trip, go Dubai, me na Abu Dhabi. Be a dirty money there, I'm na boss. Designer for days, I'm still na post. Full of beats, coulda open up a close store.
Oh, be a dirty money there, me nah blow. Me nah boss. Be a designer beats, I'm not post. No, come in.
Abu Dhabi. Be a dirty money there, I'm na boss. Designer for days, I'm still na post. Full of beats, coulda open up a close store. Say she love the image, so me broken her nose. I be a headbanger, don't panic.
She love the image, so me broken her nose. That's the Image. Yeah, I mean.
Rifle and coke with she pin pan boat. PF police fuck the clock a court. If you can't see me, then you know me gone tour.
Yeah, when me
Say PR police. Clark a court. Talk to you.
say blueprint and money they dry in cousin. Run town them town man. Remember anything Buster say a lie, you know. Fuck you, they say my friend, you know banger.
$30 every day for me money too enough. If you not push jokes bangy line know you.
$30 every day, my money too enough. Come in.
African guru so me walkie voodoo. Book a alien skull from round a Pluto. Me drop a whip and parky, now make millions and sing and talky. What? 10 dozen buckle from a pull up a party.
They drop a whip and park it. You see me? I don't think man say make millions just to sing about it and talk about it. Can you have it?
See and Gabbana with the Simiyaki. Been a school them and me no see what fi class me. Rich in my teens and me no touch 40. Now if you own something me no afraid fi clarity. Take a trip go Dubai me na Abu Dhabi. Book a gun pull a food and no hurry come up. Naturally me do it and no feel a luck. Can't touch the heat.
Say monkey gun full of food and no hurry come up. Naturally we do it and no luck, you know, brother. Just do it with ease. Now feel say a luck. You see me? A skills. You see me? Easy.
20 flames turn up, big food up on the line and no piece of stuff. No fuck with the mullah cause a piece of dot. Rap out the beef till the meat a buck. Miss Giant and me show me evilous. Who no nah make no money too even up.
Easy now. No even up with the band. Up to them.
Me drop it whip and parking and make millions and sing and talkie. What? 10 dozen buckle from a pull up a party. Dulce and Gamba.
Yeah man, we buying out the bar.
And now with the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎�. Been at school them and me no see who fi class me. Rich in my teens and me no touch 40. Now if you hold something me no afraid fi clatty. Take a trip go Dubai me in
Abu Dhabi. Come in now man. Yeah man, we have to take a trip go Dubai now. No joke, cause the dog attack. One of them time yeah man. Yeah man, want to take a trip to Dubai. You see me? Yeah man, maybe next year man. You don't want it too far in the future cause one life you have to live, don't it? Just have to do what we have to do and it can happen, don't it? And you have to take long too. Himage. Hey, he's a young artist, this you know, but him bad. 48𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, yeah man, him bad. Yeah man, him bad. Yeah man, he's up and coming. Can't rate no advice say him young. You see me and say up and coming. But give him some time. Give him some time. He's a bad man. Yeah man, if he continue, he just need to stay consistent at this point. Because him have image, no pun intended, and he have a sound. Doesn't mean he can create his own lane in space. He just have to continue. So click this and send it to him, man. More I hear more tune from Himage. You see me, I'm be looking out for him. You see me? So click this and send it to him for the 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂. You see me and say, and tell him big up in himself. Himage, keep doing your thing, bro. You see me and say, like the tune and school them. I'm gonna keep looking out for more tracks from you, gang. No joke.
Blueprint, one image. And I know say a big league, no skimmage.
Easy now.
Image. No, I make millions and sing and talk it.
Big league, no skimmage. Eh? Now call I want you. Yeah man. Big up yourself. Image, school them. Well anyway gang, I know Timo the one there. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support me. You know, make me know say the dancing, you know. You see me and say gang, you see what I do with. That's definitely a vibe. I like that one. You see me, he's young, can't hear that vibe, but give him some time, it will definitely become better. YDG official say, yo, raw cash dialer. Yo, I actually did that earlier, G. Yeah, man, me do it earlier. I'm actually gonna post the video in a few, so you're gonna see it. But I actually reacted to that earlier, G. Yeah. Yeah, no jokes, man. We reacted to it earlier on the stream. And it's a vibe, it's a really good song. So once we upload the video, you should be able to see it. So drop another request, me G. Yeah, I really don't got no artist from the community and Image. Yeah, I mean ABC, I did that. Drop a massacre. DJ DN drop a massacre. What was the last massacre I react to? The massacre on TJ. I didn't react to that one, did I? I think I did. I did drop that. Yeah, man, we did drop the massacre on the TJ, man. Yeah, man, a bad tune that, man. I drop it. Wow. Wait, where is that shit? Oh, I never complain. Yeah, man, I did it. That's a month ago. Shit. Yeah, man, I did that, man. Drop it out like a month ago. Why no one? Why else no one? We did the massacre. But I'm pretty sure there's a massacre that I did not react to yet. Hold on. Pretty sure there's a massacre I didn't react to, gang. Hold on. Trophies? Whites? I didn't listen. No, I did whites, right? Ain't no way. I think I did the whites video. But trophies is what I never did trophies. Wait.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.